sourdough, and then I'm going to make sure that I also feed it so it continues to grow. Okay, I'm going to mix this and feed my sourdough as well. I always like to make sure I clean the jar itself because it can begin to get really sticky and dirty easily, and it's just nice to keep everything nice and clean. And I'm going to mix this and put it away, and it'll be good to be used on my next batch of sourdough. I use this little wooden chopstick, and I only use it for this. I just want to show this is what I use for mixing. It's all nicely mixed now. It's nice because it doesn't get stuck on here. It's amazing. And again, I got this on Amazon. I'll try to link it below. If I don't, just remind me. But that's it. I'm going to cover this and put it in my oven and just let it do its thing and rise for 4 hours. Okay, I do want to clarify, I am setting my timer for 4 hours. So I set 2 alarms for 4 hours, and then I set one for every hour, because every hour we have to do the fold in this bowl. So it's going to be for 4 hours total. Every hour you need to fold the dough, and I will show you guys as well. So that is the process of it, and it's really, really easy. Hi guys, so it's been a few hours. My bread is now here. It looks amazing. I'm going to let it sit here on the cutting board for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to be transferring it to my banetone. And once it's in here, that's when it goes in the fridge for 8 hours. I cannot wait to have this tomorrow morning, so I'm really excited. Hi guys, good morning. It looks like I don't have any hair right now in this lighting, but to be quite honest, I don't like to turn on the overhead light because it's just too much. It's early in the morning and I like to just have the little light above my stove. So I'm going to score it and then I'm going to bake it. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. She's been in the fridge all day since early afternoon yesterday, and it looks amazing. So I used to use like a little score lathe that I had, and I can't find it. I have another one that is really small and it never really works. So I'm just gonna use one of my knives today, and I hope it works. So I reduced the heat to 450 now that it's in there, and it's going to bake for 20 minutes. And here it is. It is straight out of the oven. I still need to turn this off. I just took it out and I baked it for 20 minutes uncovered. I'm gonna have to let it cool down for a very long time because it'll still be very warm inside, and we don't want that. So it needs to be cooled off completely. a heart for my husband.